I'll stop on the third floor first.
Third floor. Doors opening. Elevator H4. Going up.
Does it just go up like up to 55%?
Yes, yes. So when you get done with, did you want to go to the? Okay.
It's a tough.
Are you guys going up?
Going down.
Going down? Okay, I gotta just take them.
Would it be alright if I take some like pictures of this?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Fifth floor.
Just watch your
Doors
stuff as you
opening.
get
Okay, thank you. There's the Polaris panel.
Going down.
Yeah, this looks like it's unfinished.
I think it might wait a little bit, my compass.
Elevators are out of service.
TTS voice.
Oh, that's what that is?
That's the text-to-speech voice, but usually it doesn't. It's like a
Camera
ring.
locked. Only exit door allowed. Show access card to the card reader. Elevators are out of service.
Disappointing to know that it's got a text-to-speech voice.
Elevators are out of service.
We have only 4 of, I think 6? No, 8. 4 of the 8 elevators serve the top floor, which is 55. Unfortunately, these are being used in independent service. Unfortunately, these are being used in independent service, so we're gonna have to wait for a little bit.
Like more reflection, I think. Because it's layered.
Sit down.
Is this it down?
This is
Yes.
down.
Excellent.
So,
Hi,
How you doing?
4,000 milligrams. Anyway.
You guys going down to 1, right?
Yeah.
Everybody's going to 1?
Yeah.
Make sure.
You've got hordes coming today and tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, and I'm doing both days too, so it's okay.
Yeah.
I don't mind.
It's such a fun weekend to get into
It
buildings and
is.
see,
It is.
you know.
Yeah. It is. The weather's nice too, so that helps a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Did you guys see our balcony up there?
That's
Sorry?
ridiculous.
Really cool, yeah.
Wow.
What's that floor gonna be when it's all done?
Just the office. It's going to be office space.
Okay.
It's going to be office space up there.
Yeah, they're so cool when they're not built out because you just get
Yeah.
Yeah.
the full view, you know.
I usually sneak up at night.
Oh, yeah.
I see it at night. Yeah,
Yeah, that's cool.
It's really, really
It would be
nice.
amazing after dark, yeah. The city is so pretty at night, yeah.
Doors
Being that
opening.
high up too, it's nice.
Oh, yeah. Over on one, huh?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Be safe.
Yep, thank
Probably
you.
go fast, right? Lots of people.
And they have these neat looking turnstiles from Kone. floor. C110 is engraved on that wall.
Some more or no? You good? I think 2? Yeah, give me at least 2 minimum. 2 more?
HH is on the first floor, so you want me to put it in Independence? Yes, please. 10-4.
Third floor. Doors opening.
Back on the right.
Elevator 8th floor. Going up.
we just go up? Do we have to get up here?
Tour starts here. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I can take you upstairs.
Wait, what's on here?
Part of the tour. Yeah, conference amenities, different other rooms.
Fifth floor. Doors opening.
Watch your step.
Thank you.
300 Riverside, over there.
That was weird.
No, didn't say stuff.
Oh.
You're really much.
You're gonna have to pause and read yeah, first signs.
But it's not right.
Yeah, it's already messed up. Well, no, but
We started from the 3rd floor, so it's fine.
That'll be accurate.
Third
Do it
floor.
loud.
But I didn't.
Oh, yeah, I did a little.
It's okay. If we see it on the way out, we have to give her an answer.
Yeah.
Doors opening.
3rd floor?
Is it going up or down?
You're going down? And then we watched the whole reconstruction of Wacker Drive. Oh, while I lived in that building. That was really nice. Yeah, this is still a little rail.